Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the FlirtMe website if you have forgotten to do so. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser within which you have forgotten to log out from your account, and then in the address bar type in flirtme.com and press enter. Now if you haven't logged out from your account already, you will be directly taken into your homepage or your dashboard from which you can start matching with various different users or start chatting. Now, right from the homepage, you will find the logout button. So go ahead and tap on this to log out from your account. Now you might see a small advertisement, so go ahead and close it. And now you will directly be logged out from your account on FlirtMe. Now if you wish to log back into your account, you will need to tap on the login button at the top right corner and then use either your Google, your Facebook account, or your email address and your password to log back in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the FlirtMe application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.